Welcome everyone. Today I am going to discuss about a very important topic in pharmaceutics subject, that is manufacturing process of tablet. So before going to discuss the main topic, that is manufacturing process, first of all we all have to understand what is tablet. So we all know that tablet is a solid unit dosage form easily available in the market. It is a cost effective product, and in tablet the main ingredient is, that is API. API means active pharmaceutical ingredients. So in tablet the active pharmaceutical ingredients show the therapeutic efficacy, and other ingredients is also added, that is known as the excipients. This excipient don't have a therapeutic efficacy, but it has different function. I discuss one by one. First of all is API. I already discussed that API is the active pharmaceutical ingredient. For example, if we want to prepare a paracetamol tablet or we want to formulate a paracetamol tablet, then the main API is paracetamol, or chemical name is acetaminophen. Next one is the excipient, that is diluent. So what is diluent? Diluent is also known as a filler. It basically increases the bulkiness of the tablet material. For example, lactose, MCC means microcrystalline cellulose and mannitol. These are used as a diluent. And second one is the binder. Binder is a very important excipient. Binder basically hold the powder material together and it provides the tablet strength. So starch is a very important binder generally used in the tablet manufacturing process, other than PVP means polyvinyl pyrrolidone, and HPMC, that means hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose. These are the ingredients that is used as a binder. And next is disintegrating agent. So what is the function of the disintegrating agent? So disintegrating agent basically break down the powder material or break down the tablet in stomach and intestine and easy for dissolution. For example, SSG, that means sodium starch glycolate and crossporidone. It also known as a super disintegrating agent. Next ingredient is, that is next excipient is lubricant. So what is the function of the lubricant? Lubricant basically fixed lubricant, talc, magnesium stearate and stearic acid basically act as a lubricant. So lubricant reduce the friction force between the punch wall and the tablet material. So during compression and ejection, if we use the lubricant, the tablet cannot stick with the tablet die wall. So in this way we can use the lubricant. And next one is glidant. Glidant basically increase the flow property of the tablet, and it also increase the solubility of the drug particle. So these are the ingredients basically act as a excipient for tablet manufacturing process. So now we discuss the main topic, that is how we can prepare a tablet. So before going to prepare a tablet, at first we have to collect the following materials which is used to preparing the tablet. For example, in first step we have to dispensing by weighing of the material. So if we want to prepare the paracetamol 650 mg tablet, then the main API, that means paracetamol, is needed 650 mg, and the other excipients like binder, diluent, glidant, it is required in sufficient amount or required amount. So at first we weigh all the ingredients together to maintain the drug content of each tablet. That means if we prepare a batch of, in laboratory scale, if we prepare a batch of 20 tablets, so we have to confirm that each tablet contains the same amount of drug and excipients. After waiting, next step is mixing. So mixing is a very useful process. Here all the ingredients are mixed together. In industry scale, we basically use the V-shaped blender or mixer or double cone blender or mixer, etc. And next is granulation. So granulation is the most important step during the manufacturing process. So what do you mean by granulation? In granulation, the fine particle is converted into granules, because the granules have a higher solubility and it also provides a greater surface area for dissolution. So we convert the powder materials into granules. So how we can convert the granules? So granulation, basically two types of granulation technique are used. One is wet granulation and second one is dry granulation. So first of all is weight granulation. In weight granulation we use the binder solution. We basically use the binder solution, that means we prepare a weight mass. And in case of dry granulation, all the ingredients are mixed together but without adding any types of liquid. So in two process, that is wet granulation and dry granulation process, we can prepare the granules. Okay. And in wet granulation technique is mostly used, which is available in the market. The most of the tablet available in the market are prepared through wet granulation technique, because the tablet which is prepared by wet granulation technique, the strength is higher as compared to dry granulation technique. And the substance heat sensitive or the moisture sensitive substance or moisture sensitive drug are not manufactured by using the wet granulation technique. That purpose, then we use the dry granulation technique. For example, paracetamol. Paracetamol is prepared by wet granulation technique. After granulation, next step is drying. So the prepared granules are further going for the drying process. Basically, tray dryer or fluidized bed dryer is used for drying to remove the excess moisture from the powder material for granules. Next step is compression. After drying, the material are passes through the suitable sieve number to obtain the suitable size of the granules, and then the granules are going for the compression. In compression, after compression, we can find the tablet in suitable size or shape. Next step is coating. Some tablet or most of the tablet required for coating, because coating means we generally added a film or polymeric film around the tablet material. So basically three types of coating are we generally use, that is sugar coating, film coating and enteric coating. So first of all we have to understand how we perform the coating technique. So basically a coating pan is present. Suppose this is a coating pan and the tablet which are going to be coating are placed inside the coating pan, and if hopper is inserted between it, the polymeric material are sprayed inside the hopper, through the hopper, and a hot air is passes through the coating pan, and the coating pan start to rotating until each tablet contain a thin layer of polymeric coating. So in this way we can perform the coating technique. So basically three types of coating are we perform, that is first one is sugar coating. So sugar coating basically used for the taste masking. Suppose some of the tablet has a bitter taste, so the children and elderly patient cannot swallow the tablet. For that purpose we use the sugar coating. Basically sugar syrup is used for sugar coating technique, sugar coating purpose. Next one is film coating. Film coating basically protect the tablet material for environmental moisture damage. So in film coating we generally use the PVA or HPMC polymer, that means hydroxypropyl methyl cellulose polymer or PVA polymer is used in case of film coating technique. And last one is a enteric coating. Some of the tablet or most of the tablet are dissolved in the stomach in acidic pH, stomach acidic pH, but some tablet required to be dissolved in the intestine. So we have to bypass the stomach acidic pH. For that purpose we perform the enteric coating technique. In enteric coating technique the tablet material are covered with the thin layer of polymeric layer, that is cellulose acetate phthalate. Cellulose acetate phthalate. This is basically used for the enteric coating technique. When the tablet is going to the stomach in acidic pH, due to the enteric coating, it sustain or the acidic pH and go to the stomach, and in stomach they dissolve and show their therapeutic efficacy. So in this way we can perform the tablet manufacturing process. For example, in enteric coating tablet easily available in the market, that is aspirin. Aspirin is a tablet where the enteric coating is performed. And next one is omeprazole. Omeprazole is a proton pump inhibitor. This tablet required to be dissolved in the intestine, so we perform the enteric coating material. So in this way we can prepare a tablet, and after that we need for to packaging. Various types of packaging technique are there. For example, primary packaging, secondary packaging, or blister packaging or strip packaging. Various types of packaging are available, or packaging procedure are available. In this way we can prepare a suitable or tablet. So today this class we discuss about the overall procedure of tablet manufacturing process, and next we will discuss the another topic. Thank you.